Good morning, guys. It's model answer for chapter 7 revision, page 153. In number 1 and number 2, he's supposed to shade it, but he didn't. So I'm not gonna show number 1, but number 2 is easy. I have how many parts in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 over 8 minus, because I'm gonna cross only two parts, so it's 2 over 8. Equals 6 over 8. Now here 3 plus 5 equals 8 and denominator never change. Now 7 minus 6 equals 1 and denominator never change. Now number 1 and 7.2 write the fraction as sum of unit fraction. I have 2 over 3, so unit fraction, guys, so it's like 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Number 2, 3 over 10 is like 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Number 3, 4, so 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. I'm going to write the unit fraction 4 times. And here I'm going to write the unit fraction 5 times. 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12. And here, guys, he wants me to find the sum or difference. Use fraction stripes to help. Okay, 3 plus 2 equals 5 and denominator never change. 4 plus 1, 5. Denominator never change. 5 over 5 equals 1. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 10. 5 minus 4 equals 1 over 6. 3 minus 1 equals 2 over 4. 1 minus 7 over 12. Okay, guys, 1 is a whole, so it's like I'm having a fraction is 12 over 12. Why choose 12? Because I have in the denominator here 12, so I'm going to say 12 over 12. Now 12 minus 7 equals 5 over 12. 7 minus 3 equals 4 over 10. 2 plus 4 equals 6 over 6 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 1 whole. 5 minus 4 equals 1 over 8. Now we will move on to the next page, but I told you that 7.9 and 7.10 is not a homework, so we're just gonna solve this 7.6 and 7.7 and 7.8. Now write each mixed number as a fraction. Mixed to fraction is happy face, and each fraction as mixed. Fraction to mixed divide. So here it's a mixed number. I want to convert it into a fraction. So 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14 over 3. Now 6 times 4, 24 plus 1, 25 over 4. Now here I'm gonna do it as divide 11 divided 3. What is the closest number to 11 in table 3? 9. So I'm gonna write 9 down and 3 up. Subtract. Remainder 2. So whole number 3. Remainder is numerator and denominator never change. Here also it's a fraction, so I have to convert it into a mixed number. So I'm gonna divide 16 divided 15. Okay, it's 1, guys. 1 times 15 equals 15. And remainder will also be 1. remainder 1. So 1 as a whole, 1 as the numerator and denominator, never change. Now this one I can do it in a draft or I can do it here. Look, I will start by adding the numerator. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Denominator, never change. Then I will add the whole number. 3 plus 2 equals, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Here I'm gonna add numerator. But I didn't complete it. 4 over 4 equals 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now 5 plus 1 equals 6 and denominator never change. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And I can simplify it, guys. 6 and 12, both of them are in table what? Both of them are in table 6. So I can say divide 6, divide 6. 6 divided 6 equals 1 and 12 divided 6 equals 2. And I'm going to write 3 as a whole number. Now 5 minus 1 equals 4. Denominator never change. Now 9 minus 7 equals 2, and I can simplify it. 4 and 6, both of them are in table 2, so divide 2, divide 2. 4 divided 2 equals 2, 6 divided 2 equals 3, and I have 2 as a whole number. Now 3 minus 7, I can do it 3 smaller, so 9 will be 8. And I will add 10 to 3. So 3 plus 10 give me 13. Now I can subtract it. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Denominator never change. And 8 minus 1 equals 7. Can I simplify it? Yes. 6 and 10, both of them are in table 2. So I will divide 2, divide 2. 6 divided 2 equals 3. 10 divided 2 equals 5 and whole number as it is. That's it, guys. See you soon.